As a landlord, you know all too well the challenges that come with managing rental properties. Finding reliable tenants and handling maintenance and repairs can be overwhelming, but you may have considered purchasing a home warranty in your quest for a smoother, more cost-effective rental process. Today we'll look at whether these agreements are truly worth it or just another headache in disguise. Welcome to Eaton Realty, a full-service real estate brokerage located in Lithia, Florida. Our team has over 20 years of property management experience, and we help landlords like you make crucial decisions to improve your ROI, such as whether or not to invest in a home warranty. Let's delve into the largest drawbacks landlords should know before jumping on the home warranty bandwagon. 1. Limited coverage and exclusions. Home warranties often come with a laundry list of exclusions, leaving you to foot the bill for certain repairs and replacements. Pre-existing conditions, improper maintenance, and essential system components may not be covered, making the home warranty less comprehensive than it seems. 2. Slow response times. When appliances or systems break down, prompt repairs are crucial for your tenant's satisfaction. However, many home warranty companies are notorious for their slow response times, leading to disgruntled tenants and potential escalation of minor issues. 3. The hassle of service calls. Coordinating repairs is a part of being a landlord, but home warranties can make it more complicated. Some warranties require you to use specific contractors, limiting your options. Moreover, you might have to pay a service call fee for every visit, even if the issue remains unresolved. 4. Potential disputes with warranty companies. Home warranty companies have been known to dispute claims, leaving you in frustrating disputes when you need repairs the most. If a claim is denied, you may have to cover the cost yourself, making the warranty less reliable than expected. 5. Tenant dissatisfaction. While a home warranty may seem like a perk, slow response times and disputes can lead to tenant dissatisfaction. Unhappy tenants are more likely to leave when their lease expires, increasing your turnover rates and costs. When you analyze the cost versus benefit, the drawbacks become evident. The overall cost of a home warranty might outweigh the benefits. So, what can you do instead? At Eaton Realty, we believe in a more practical approach to property management. 1. Focus on preventative maintenance. Regular preventative maintenance can save you from costly repairs down the line. Work with trusted contractors to keep your properties in top shape. 2. Set aside a reserve fund. Instead of paying for a home warranty, set aside a reserve fund to cover unexpected repairs. This way, you stay in control of the process. 3. Partner with Eaton Realty. If you want to simplify your property management journey and maximize your returns, trust Eaton Realty. With our experience and commitment to excellence, we handle all aspects of property management, so you don't have to worry. Don't let home warranties add to your landlord headaches. Contact Eaton Realty today to discover how we can help you achieve your property management goals and ensure the long-term success of your investment.